Mechanism of hormone action. Hormones produce their effects on target tissues by binding to specific proteins called hormone receptors located in the target tissues only. Hormone receptors present on the cell membrane of the target cells are called membrane bound receptors, and the receptors present inside the target cell are called intracellular receptors. Mostly Mostly nuclear receptors present in the nucleus. Binding of a hormone to its receptor leads to the formation of hormone receptor complex. Each receptor is specific to one hormone only, and hence receptors are specific. Hormone receptor complex formation leads to certain biochemical changes in the target tissue. Target tissue metabolism and hence physiological functions are regulated by hormones. On the basis of their chemical nature, hormones can be divided into groups. Number 1, peptide polypeptide protein hormones. Number 2, steroids. Number 3, ardothyronins. Number 4, amino acid derivatives. First one, peptide polypeptide protein hormones. Example, insulin, glucagon, pituitary hormones, hypothalamic hormones, etc. Steroids. Example, cortisols, testosterone, estradiol, and progesterone. Ardothyronins, thyroid hormones. Amino acid derivatives. Example, epinephrine. Hormones which interact with membrane-bound receptors normally do not enter the target cell but generate second messengers. Example, cyclic AMP, IP3, Ca2 plus, etc., which in turn regulate cellular metabolism. Hormones which interact with intracellular receptor, example, steroid hormones, ardothyronins, etc., mostly regulate gene expression or chromosomes function by the interaction of hormone receptor complex with the genome. Cumulative biochemical actions result in physiological and developmental effects. This one is the hormone FSH. This is the binding site receptor. First response, this is the ovarian cell membrane. Response 1, generation of second messenger, cyclic AMP or Ca2 plus, then the biochemical responses, then physiological responses, example, ovarian growth. Second one is the diagrammatic representation of the mechanism of hormone action, protein hormone, steroid hormone. Hormone, estrogen, this is uterine cell membrane, and set it hormone receptor complex, this one, and this one is nucleus, this is genome, messenger RNA, proteins, then physiological responses, tissue growth and differentiation. Thank you.